Flick's magic bridge. Flick the fox loved to zoom. He was so fast that his orange tail looked like a streak of fire. He was so busy running that he often forgot to stop and listen to his friends in the whispering woods. Flick, called Sage the owl from a low oak branch. Slow down for a moment. Do you know about the magic bridge? It is called respect, and it helps us reach our friends' hearts. At snack time, Pip the squirrel started to tell a story about a giant acorn. But Flick was too excited. He shouted, "Look at my new red ball!" right over Pip's voice. Pip looked sad and quiet. Sage flew down and whispered to Flick, "Respect means waiting for your turn to speak. When we listen, we show our friends that their words matter." Flick took a deep breath and sat very still. He kept his mouth closed and his ears perked up. He listened to every word Pip said about the giant acorn. Listening made Pip feel very special. Later, they went to the sandbox to play. Flick really wanted the blue shovel, but Pip was already using it to build a tall sandcastle. Flick reached out to grab it, but then he remembered the magic bridge. "Pip, can I use the blue shovel when you are finished?" Flick asked politely. "Of course," Pip chirped. Flick waited his turn. Sharing and waiting is how we show respect with our hands. On the walk home, Flick saw a tiny purple flower growing right in the middle of the path. He almost stepped on it with his heavy paws, but he remembered Sage's lesson. "Even the earth likes respect," Sage said, fluttering down to join him. Flick stepped carefully around the flower. He felt proud of himself. Respecting nature made the woods a beautiful place for everyone. Now Flick still loves to zoom, but he knows when to stop. He listens, he shares, and he is kind. He found out that the magic bridge of respect is the best way to make a friend stay.